Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bolts up. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about bolts up and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.